Definity profiles the pipelines and jobs performance over time.
Mm-hmm.
And Definity already here says, so if you look here, again, we looked at this pipeline and we look at a specific job inside of it, a specific task inside of it. And Definity tells you over time, you're allocating too much and you're not using as much. You can see here that over time, we are only utilizing 14% of what was provisioned. And you can see here how it looks over time. Definity not only tells you that, it tells you this is the optimal number for you.
Okay, that is good.
And how you do that. Now, let's actually see how it looks, because again, this is super high level, but this is just an example. So we saw it over time. This is the same chart here. This is a specific run. So this is a specific run of a task, and you see here again the transformation timelines within it. And what you'll be able to see, the gray is the allocation. So the user actually asked for 400 vCores. It's actually 100 vCores, but times 4 because each core has 4 CPUs, so it's 400 CPUs. There was some type of dynamic allocation here that started to increase over time. So we didn't get the 400 to begin with. But what you can see here is that we are only utilizing in this specific run 19%. Again, we said over time we are utilizing 14%. So this is kind of roughly what other runs look like. You see how much waste there is here. Now,
Crazy.
even more than that, Definity actually tells you even deeper things like data skew or memory spill, and tells you, hey, I found a skew event that happens here. As you can see, there are only few CPUs here that are, or even one or two, right, across time, because we are overworking them while the other ones are just sitting idle. So think about like this point in time, you have 200 vCores allocated to you, 200 CPUs allocated to you, only 2 are working. We are telling you not only that, but we're telling you what keys skewed and what are some of the potential kind of values. So point is like there's a lot of richness here in terms of what you get, how do you expose these performance issues, how do we digest the insights, and how do we make it very actionable.